right, my first one cut off. Damn. First one cut off, but here we're back at it. From the slots, this is the door. Just falls on its own. Don't matter how high up you raise it, it just falls on its own. And the guy says he don't know how to fix the tension on it. And that's not right. And then we got the dents in the 16-foot door. Here, here. Let's see, here. Come down here to the other side, right there. Here, 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 here. Go around to the other side, you can see from the outside. See, this door stays up on its own because they tighten the tension, trying to make it even. And it even goes up a little bit on its own. See? Woo! See? Way simpler. But here we go. Damage, damage, damage. Here we go. See top of the rib here. You can see an inch or so showing there. Here, nothing showing to the bottom of the rib. Show again. Pull down. There you go. Door wasn't crooked in my last video from this morning, and it is crooked now. This is the second part of the first one because my phone cut off. But now, as you can see, the doors are much better. They're all flat, straight. Shouldn't have any problems. Got the minimum gap up there. All that looks good. But gotta do something with the 16-foot door and straightening them out. Everything's got to be straight. We gotta have straight doors. Nobody wants this on the front of their house when somebody pulls up, or when you pull up every evening and you're looking at crooked garage doors.